In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Auto Enrich feature in Lemlist. So start by logging into your Lemlist account, then in the left panel, go to campaigns, then go to a specific campaign. So before enabling enrichment, make sure that your leads list is already uploaded or already inside the campaign. Then go to lead list page. Then here, tick the box beside your leads that you would like to auto enrich. Then click on the enrich drop down button. Now choose what you want. So here you can either find phone numbers, find verified emails, but of course it also comes with a cost. So here, for example, you'll be charged 20 credits to auto enrich finding phone numbers. Then all you have to do is click on it. You might also be prompted here to connect your LinkedIn account with Lemlist. And once everything is done, enrichment runs automatically in the background. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!